Sometimes you have a PDF that should only be opened by certain people, or you don't want anyone else to modify it. With Foxit PDF Editor Pro, you can add password protection to a PDF to limit access and/or restrain permissions to do things like print, copy, or edit. Let's take a look at how easy it is to protect your PDFs with password protection. First, open the document you would like to apply password protection. Then go to the Protect tab and choose Secure Document, then Password Protection. There are two kinds of passwords that can be applied to a PDF file: an open document password or a permission password. Let's first start with the document open password. When you set this type of password, anyone who tries to open a PDF file needs to have the password you specified. Start by checking the box that says Require a password to open the document, and type the password that you want to use in the blank box. Finally, confirm the password and click OK. To apply this password protection, you will need to save and close the document. To check if the password was applied, open the document, and as you can see, it requests a password to open the PDF. Adding a permission password to a document allows you to apply restrictions for permissions to edit, print, copy, etc. To do this, go back again to the Protect tab and click over Secure Document and Password Protect. This time, check the box for adding document restrictions and click OK. Then type the password you want to use and confirm it. Next, click over Permissions. For this example, we would like to restrict people from making any changes to this PDF. However, we will allow users to print the PDF. So we'll select High Resolution for printing and None for changes allowed. Lastly, we won't enable users to copy text or images from the document. Once again, save and close the document. To check if our restrictions were successfully applied to the PDF, open it up and go into the Organize tab, and as you can see, the Extract feature is grayed out. Also, if you try to copy text from the document, you can't do it. However, the print option is allowed. Now that your document is well protected, you can start sharing it with others. Start protecting and sharing your documents with others now.